Hello friends, so today we'll be integrating the new version of Reskit to the Xcode project. So first of all, I'll create a Xcode project. So after creating the project named as Res Demo, I'll just close it because we'll create the pod file and then we'll define the libraries we are going to integrate in that, and then we are going to proceed. So I'm just closing it just to get the physical path of the project in terminal. First I'll type cd space, then I'll go to the project. So just to get the physical path of the project, I just dragged the project to the terminal and got the physical path just after the cd space, and I'll just enter to get into the project. And now, as you can see in the project, we don't have any pod file. So just to create a pod file, we'll text pod space init. So by using this command, the pod file will be created in our project. Now we need to integrate, we need to open this file and edit it. So for that there is separate command, open space -a space Xcode and space pod file. So this is the command which will let us open the pod file in Xcode. So now it is opened. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to erase the text which is already generated by default, and I got. So I'm just going to copy this text where we have the latest version of Reskit, which is 0.224.1. So I'll just copy this here in text file and then save by pressing Command and S. I'll just save it and close the file. So now I just came back to the terminal and I'll just install the library. So pod install is the command for installing the libraries from the server or from the repository. As it is going to take the long time, so we'll have to wait. So I'm just going to pause my video. So friends, as you can see on the logs from the terminal that it has installed so many libraries like AF networking, iOS 8.6 data formatter value, and all. These are the dependencies. These were the libraries which were required by the Reskit itself. So all these libraries have been installed into our project. So now the task of terminal is done. So I'll just close it and open my project directory. And so here we need to open the xc workspace, not to the Xcode project. Just you just need to remember, because plenty of the people make this mistake of opening this Xcode file and then they face lots of problems. So I'm just going to open this workspace. After opening of the workspace, we'll just try to import the Reskit. So I just have imported the this Reskit framework, this Reskit header file, and just trying out is it going to work or not. Okay, it's creating problem that the Reskit this rk object mapping.h file not found. So what we'll do, we'll just go to the project here in build setting, we'll search header. So here you can see header search paths. So here we need to make all the paths of the library to recursive. Once we are done with making all paths to recursive, what we'll do, we'll just go to the project, clean it, and build it again. So I think it has not created any issue, and it has been built it successfully and run on the simulator. So this is how we can integrate the REST kit to our Xcode project. Thank you.